What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I have a case here from Caudabe. Now, Caudabe sent me out this color here, which I wanted desperately. This is the Eucalyptus color. Now, this also comes in a blue here, which is very beautiful. I love this case. It's the Paragon case. This is a Dusk blue. Also comes in a midnight black and this eucalyptus color. Now, I'm thoroughly impressed by the way these cases fit on the S25 Ultra. It's gotta be the best case that I have ever used on a phone, because it just simply fits perfect. It's almost like you don't have a case on your phone, but you do, because it gives you great protection. But just the fit on these cases are outstanding. Now, as you can see here, this is the Caudabe Minimalist Perfection Eucalyptus Elemental Collection. This is very nice. Very nice. Now look at this. Look at this color. Look at this. This thing is absolutely perfect. Look at that. Huh? And then you have the microfiber inside, so you don't scratch up your phone at all. I mean, it is just beautiful how beautiful this thing is. And like they say on their website, this is more than a head turner. This is more than a head turner. But it does allow people to check out your case and say, man, where'd you get that case? I do love this case. It slides in right here. Let's put this bad boy in. And it fits like a glove, man. Let me tell you. It fits like an absolute glove. And as you can see, everything, make sure you have everything in. Look at this thing. This thing's perfect. I'm telling you, it is absolutely perfect. And I tell you that it is perfect. Look at that. That perfect. Now, and it does have interchangeable buttons if you want to change those out. They do those are available on the website if you want to check those out. I love the lip, how it's perfectly, it's just enough. It's not too much. And then you got opening there for your S Pen, which is nice. Opening there for your Type-C, your speakers, microphones, top and bottom. You're good to go. I love the grip here on the side, which is absolutely great. This has some pretty good drop protection too. If you ask me, you get about 6 feet, which isn't bad. It's got some nice corners here. You get some great protection for your camera, which is so desperately needed with these camera lenses here that you get on the S25 Ultra. You want to make sure everything's protected. Look at that. All right, as far as the buttons are concerned, let's see how good and smooth they are. As you can see, they're very easy to push. I mean, these buttons are probably perfect. And remember, these are interchangeable. I did a video on that. If you want to check it out, you can do it right there. That's right, check that video out. But yeah, these buttons up and down works perfect. These are beautiful. I love these buttons, and the fact that they're interchangeable, that's a win. And this is a stunner. I mean, when you compare it, I like both these colors, but this green is just a showstopper. It's got a matte finish. It's got the grooves on the side for enhanced grip. It is outstanding. This is one of the signatures from Caudabe, the Paragon. So if you guys want to check it out, just drop down in the description. I'll leave a link so you guys can pick this up. But this thing right here is an absolute beauty. And it's protects your phone fully, and also you get the MagSafe feature. So if you want to plug and go, or if you want to use it in your car, you get a great MagSafe feature. I am a big fan of MagSafe. If you don't have MagSafe on your cases, I'm probably not going to use it. I'm probably not going to review it. I've become that MagSafe dependent because I have a MagSafe in my car, on my stand, next to my bed, at the office, you name it. I have it all. So this gives you great protection, but you also have a very stylish looking case, which is very impressive. But drop down in the description you guys want to pick this up. This is the Paragon case, the Eucalyptus. It's an absolute stunner.